hope you're all doing amazingly well. I've just got out the shower, got no makeup on or anything. Today I just wanted to jump on here because I want to do a review of the Davines, the Renaissance Circle hair mask. So I've heard so many good things about this and I just thought, I just want to try it out. I'm roasting, I'm wearing Gary's dressing gown because mine's in the wash and it's so hot, but I also don't feel very comfortable just standing around in my towel. So I'm in this very fluffy winter dressing gown and it's about 24 degrees outside, so I know. But yeah, I just thought I would do this on camera and then show you and give you my thoughts, let you know if it's any good, whether I'd recommend it, all that good stuff. So it says on here, apply to towel dried hair after shampooing. So I've already shampooed my hair, and then what I need to do is put this on for 10 minutes and comb through, then rinse. So let's just jump in because I want to get my day started. I always keep a comb in the shower now because I like to comb my hair through when I put conditioner in, because I find that it gets rid of loads of like dead hair that usually end up floating around the house, which there is still some, but it's not as bad. So this is my version of towel dried hair. It isn't dry. I'm going to comb it through and then I'll add the hair mask to my hair. I might get a clip. Right, so I've just got a clip because I've got to pin my hair up for 10 minutes. What are you looking for? Your headphones? They're downstairs on the coffee table. It's a birthday! I wasn't going to tell you that, but oh, funny. Right, so now that's all combed through. Right, so this is 50ml and I'm assuming we use the whole thing in my hair, so I'm just going to try it. I love the packaging, by the way. Look at that, it's so cute. I think you can get like pots of this, but I wasn't sure how good it was, so I didn't want to invest in a pot. You've done, Echo. You've done yawning. Always interrupting the videos. Right, so it just kind of clips off like that. You just turn it. Pop this into my hands and rub it all into my hair. But it's not the colour I was expecting. Ooh. I'm literally using the whole thing. I don't know if you're meant to. But I am. So let's, I'm going to look in the mirror here. I want to get it into the end. It smells nice. It smells like quite perfumed, which isn't also what I was expecting. But this one's the one that's got 5-star reviews on Cult Beauty, so I thought this is the one to get. I believe it's for like dry hair, and my ends lately have just been so dry, so I thought it's probably really worth using this. I'm just going to rub it all in. I'm going to kind of like take it now and rub it with my fingers. See if there's anything else that will come out of this, or a little bit. It's an interesting smell actually. It smells quite masculine, like a masculine like shower gel. It's a bit musky, but like not in a horrible way. I don't mind it. It reminds me of like soap, like a heavy duty soap. Right, so I've put all that in. So I dyed my hair a few days ago, so this may be an absolute mistake. My hair could just go completely ginger or something, I don't know. It says on the thing to comb it through. So I'm going to comb it through and just apply the product back in with my fingers. It comes off on the comb. It feels really nice already. Try not to get it on Gary's dressing gown. See how loads of product comes off, so I just kind of like rub it back in. Don't want to waste any. Right, so I feel like that's completely combed through now. Right, so what I'm going to do is just clip it up. I follow, I don't know if you guys follow them, they're called Michelle and Eileen, and they're New York vloggers usually. They're from Missouri, well I think they're from Chile, but then they're from Missouri. And Michelle, they're YouTubers. I'll link them below because I am obsessed with their vlogs because I find them so relaxing. And I also get filled with envy because they live in New York, and that's kind of my favourite city. And I didn't get to go to New York this year because of COVID, which was just so disappointing. I look bold. Rocking it. Thankfully, I look like I've got a decent shaped head. I haven't, I've got a flat back. Anyway, so yeah, I'm absolutely obsessed with their vlogs. There is a point to me mentioning them. So Michelle, out of the duo, she works for Davines, I believe. So she puts on her Instagram loads of different things that she does for the brand, and that's the only reason I actually bought this hair mask, because she was raving about some of their products, so I thought I really want to try them out. And I've been looking for a really good hair mask for a long time. So I used to buy Coco and Eve quite a lot, but I find that they are amazing and I love the smell of the Coco and Eve hair masks. I think they're really long lasting. I think the scent really like carries in your hair, which is beautiful, but it's also really quite pricey, so I didn't want to keep buying the tubs when actually I go through the hair masks in about a week and a half, 2 weeks, and it's like £35 for the tub, and that's just not, it's not worth it for that amount of money. Well, it is worth it, but I just can't justify spending that amount of money. So I just purchased this, and I think this was £8. So I'm hoping this is great, and then I'll invest in the tub, because if it is really good on my hair, then I will invest. But she obviously raves all about this. So yeah, I just thought I'd test it out because I love their content. So for me, I love to support a fellow YouTuber, to be honest, and their thing. So yeah, there we go. I've got to leave this in for 10 minutes. I'm gonna walk around with my shoulders out because I'm roasting, but I need to keep this on. So I'm just going to leave this on for 10 minutes, and then I need to rinse it out and then blow dry my hair, and then I'll show you, well, I'll show you what it looks like in 10 minutes, and then I'll show you what it looks like after I've rinsed it out and all that good stuff. So I'll be back in a minute. That's probably the quickest 10 minutes of my life as I was just Instagramming away. So it's kind of gone a bit hard in my hair. The smell is still very strong, and it feels it feels alright. It feels solid, but there we go. I'm just gonna go and jump back in the shower, rinse it all out, and then I will blow dry my hair, get ready, and then show you the final hair look. Hey my darlings, so I've just kind of gone and blow dried my hair. It's looking rather fluffy, so ignore that, but it feels really nice. Like, it feels really fresh, it feels light, it feels super clean. That's what I really like in a hair mask, is that you kind of, a good hair mask makes your hair feel like you've had a haircut. That's how I see it. I would definitely recommend the Renaissance Circle Davines hair mask. I was really trying to figure out what it was that it smelled like, because I just couldn't describe it earlier. And then I read the ingredients, and it says with yellow clay. It smells like clay. Like, it does smell like clay. And there's also babassu butter and a load of other ones that I cannot pronounce, so I will put them in the description below for you. But it's so good. I think I'll definitely buy another one. I might try out a few, because I think they've got a few different versions of like this style packaging that do different things for your hair. So I think I'll try out a few before buying like a big tub or something, just in case there's another one that I love even more. But it's made my hair feel really, really lovely. So yeah, I feel really good. Like, I feel like I've had a haircut, which is really nice, and it's blow dried really, I say really well. I mean, it's blow dried as my hair blow dries. It usually ends up being a little bit frizzy, and I get like these little wispy bits of hair that just go everywhere. But anyway, yeah, love it. I think it's a really great product. So definitely recommend it. Give it a thumbs up. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share with all your friends, and I will see you next time. Bye!